This is my North Arkansas lot and needed to clean it up, so here we are. Using my Ego Power lawnmower to bush hog this down. Had to eat some breakfast, of course. So wanted to get out here. Of course, you see I have the EcoFlow Delta Pro. That's their very first one, actually. But wanted to use these Ego batteries and test them out. I used the 7.5, and so just getting started. You kind of see me moving around a little bit just to get the height and the settings correct, because you don't want to mess up the blade, or or hit any rocks and things like that. So I just wanted to be careful, being that I just got it and wanted to clean it up. So really took my time. Real nice day. Of course, also had the Delta Pro charging in the background. I'll do another video on that, but I had that charging in the background with the EcoFlow solar panel. Shout out to EcoFlow. If y'all have some things and tips to share about EcoFlow, please share. I will do another video on one of their latest products, which is the Delta Pro 3, and I have the alternator charger. I'm gonna do all kind of videos on that just to share tips. It is amazing, because I'm planning on doing a lot of off-grid things with this property and other ones, and I'm gonna do videos and share it with you all. So on this, back to this property though, but I'm subscribe, like, and as you see here, just checking the blade, and I did have to take the battery out here as I was having a great time, bush hogging. You only see me really change the battery once, and I also did some trimming. I have a lot of the Ego products. They're great products to use if you're shopping in that market for electric products. The batteries are pretty much the biggest investment you'll make, which in this one I have a 7.5 and then a 5. There's bigger batteries, which I plan on getting as well, because they hold more capacity, and they have rapid chargers. I don't have that yet, mainly because I don't necessarily need it to charge that fast just yet. However, they do have a great catalog of products. So, but back to this product in specific, this specific track will have a lot of different things. One, it's private, so I'm not going to share too much about its location. However, that it will provide different things for me in the department of sustainability, and I do like to enjoy nature. I do like to be outdoors sometimes, and not that I don't have that in other properties, but every property is supposed to develop something for you. And as you see, rarely cars going up and down that road, but they do deliver mail, so it's not too secluded. But I plan to just clean this property out. I fell in love with this property. As you see the deck in the background, the property was developed just enough to where I wouldn't have to bring in a lot of gravel. The driveway has a lot of gravel, so I'm just here cleaning it up. I wanted to test this mower to see if it could bush hog, this thick brush, and I wanted to keep some of it. As you see, it kind of provides some privacy, as I'm gonna let that kind of keep growing higher and higher. And I know that I'm also truly an animals background. I'm in their world, so I want to. Hey, there's my neighbors. As we take a pause here, they were actually introducing themselves, and so was I. And it's just good to know, like, hey, there's some people around. Those younger guys, they're really cool. They're like, hey, I heard, is that a GoPro on your chest, or you have a YouTube channel? So if you're watching this, shout out to those guys. I won't say their names just to keep things private, but shout out to those guys. But back to this property, and just what I'm doing here is just cleaning it up. This is one of the things that I do, and I see other people do in their videos, is land management. Take care of it. Don't have trash everywhere. As you see, there's a pile that I'm collecting behind me to take to the junk. And you just take care of it. We're in nature's backyard. We're in their world. And so I've already seen a few animals arrive and kind of let me know, like, hey, this is their home, and I want to continue to welcome them. I'm gonna put out a few things just to see what's out here, and that way I know and they know. But It's very fenced right there back to this property again, and I like that it's safe also for me from the deck. And now that you kind of see, I'm taking a pause here to show you the progress. Really wanted to clean that area over to the left, which is great if I want to bring something in and turn it around, of course for my vehicle to come in. And here's that final and amazing shot, everybody. Check it out. But like, subscribe. I'll be back more about this in other videos.